Saturn mound and its line. What's the significance and how it plays important role in our life? Saturn is a planet which gives justice to everyone. It is a planet which can make you to reach a position with high authority and to a high level beyond our imagination. Because it is the one of the most strongest planet in this universe. Out of the 9 planets, Saturn is the most powerful planet that affects us in our life. So I'm going to tell you what's this effect and the lines, most of the positive signs that can have, and especially the vertical lines in the Saturn mound is said to be very auspicious. How it is going to give you a good benefit, I'm going to discuss about it in details in this video. Om Ganeshaya Namah, Om Bhagavan Shri Satyasvabhaya Namah, Om Suryaya Namah, Om Shanishwaraya Namah. Viewers, welcome to my YouTube family. My name is Astrologer Dr. Sai Subhajit. If you have not subscribed to my channel, then I would request you to subscribe it and don't forget to press the bell icon and like the videos. Also, if you want to listen my video in Hindi, then I would request you to subscribe to my Hindi channel so that you always get the future notification of my video and get more interesting video in that channel also. In this video, as I have mentioned the Saturn mound, this is the Saturn finger, middle finger. Under this middle finger is the Saturn mound. This is the Saturn mound. Now, if there is no line, then it is always said to be good. But the fate line should be prominent and at least the reaching to the mount of, at least reaching to the hard line. Many people, or maybe you can think, okay, the up to here is the 55 is generally it is predicted always. Then after that there will be no success in your life after 55. It's not the case, because if you have the sun line prominent, as you know, without the sun line, this is the sun line. Without the sun line, we cannot get any success. So in the similar way, if the sun line is there and the fate line is not there, I have told in numerous video, then also it's okay. It's no issue, no problem. But at least you should know what is the significance if there is no, in this portion there is no any lines. With the help of Saturn mound only, we can say how much success we will get in our life. Because Saturn is the planet of action, the karma. What we do, what the good deeds, bad deeds, whatever we do, as per that we get the result. We always need to do good deeds to get the blessings of the Lord Saturn, means the Shani planet. In Hindi or in my Hinduism mythology, the Saturn planet is said to be the Shani planet. It is the planet because of which everyone fears. But there is nothing to worry, nothing to fear. If you are doing good deeds, if you are doing service for the society, if you are very much motivated for loving and having a good mentality for the people in the world, then there is no harm for you and definitely things will be good for you. Because Saturn always loves people who wants to do good for others. So that is the one of the key things that you have to remember. Now, as I have mentioned that the most important is the vertical lines. As you know, there can be a vertical lines like this. If there is a single vertical line, what is mean? There can be multiple vertical lines also. That is a different meaning. Now, single vertical lines means that you will have a multiple earnings, multiple career options that you will be able to do it at the same time. That means multiple business. And definitely, if the single vertical lines is there, then you will be able to reach a height with a good administrative authority in your life. Suppose if you are in some managerial role in a company, there is always a chance that you will be able to be a owner or the CEO of that company also. I'm not telling that you can be CEO, means I'm telling as an example that you will be able to reach the highest position of the company, or you will be able to set up your own company of your own. So there is numerous benefit of this line. And this line also means that you will be very much motivated. You will be able to solve the problems very fast. You will be able to reach the position and the height in your life very fast. So everything in your life will be good and can be good with the single vertical line. Now, if you have a vertical lines that have a multiple vertical lines like a 2 or 3, then also there is no problem. But you will be little lazy to do things. You will be demotivated quite often. You will have some lack of confidence. Now, Although I have told a single vertical lines and a multiple vertical lines has the same meaning and has a very good significance, then I am telling, okay, there will be some negative things, right? The negative in the sense that you will be sometime lack of motivated and lack of confidence can be there and some obstacles will be coming. But as you will have a multiple vertical lines, that means that you can overcome any types of problem in this world. You will be able to take your action very fast, take your action in such a way that you can overcome any problems that you face on your way to reach the goal and ambition. You will definitely be ambitious and have a very good mind to do a very good thing for yourself and for the others also. So you will be a service oriented person also if you have multiple vertical lines or a single vertical line. So that is very auspicious. Now, if you have the fish-like structure, as I mentioned in many videos, fish-like structure is always good in this mount and it gives a very good business and success in your life. And also I have missed to say one thing, that if you have a single vertical line, then also you will have definitely have a very good leadership and managerial skill, that you will be able to manage the organization or a group of people at the same time with a very good leadership skills and creativity. So that is very good. Now, the thing is that if you have some horizontal lines, suppose the horizontal line like this or this, so that is not auspicious. It means that you will get some problem and face some problem in your life that you have to be cautious. You can have some legal problems in your life. You will have lots of stress and tension in your life that you might go through. So definitely you need to do some remedies to overcome that problem, so that you can always get motivated and always get blessings of the planet Saturn, because it is also going to Lord Shani. If I have mentioned anywhere the Shani word, that means I mean to say the Saturn planet. Now, at the end, I have mentioned the remedies, what you need to do to overcome any types of problems in your life. So in between, let me tell you the remedies first. Then I'll go for the other things, other signs that can have here. First of all, you need to do service-oriented work. You need to help old citizen, all senior persons, blind people, have to do some service work for the society. Try to visit Shani temple, this means Lord Shani temple, every Saturday at least in the evening. Try to do the Shani Bij mantra 108 times in the evening for better result. 2 times is always good. So these are the remedies. I have also attached the Shani Bij mantra in the description box. You can definitely go through it and definitely chant it with proper pronunciation. If you have any doubts on my explanation, if you want to have my paid consultation, you are always welcome to contact me. Contact details are given in the description box. And also, if you have a small doubt and have a confusion of my explanation in this video, then you can comment in my YouTube inbox so that I can reply you. And also, it will be a motivation for me to get comment from you what is there in your hand and how you are getting the success in your life. Now, coming to it, there should not be any cross. That is one thing. Another thing is that there should not be any mole. If there is any cross and a mole, whether it is a cross or a mole, you should act right now and do the remedies. If you do the remedies and if you impress the planet, then definitely things will be better. It will be boosting of the planet. It is nothing to do to any religion. Religion is same for everyone. So because planet doesn't have any religion, right? Because I mean to say that planets affects everyone irrespective of religion, caste and creed. So you must be very positive and have to do the remedies that I have mentioned if you have any negative signs. So definitely, if you have the hard line that is stuck up to here, because there is a significance of hard line stopping here also. Sorry to say, but if the hard line is stopping here and there is no hard line beyond this point, then it means that you will be a little bit of selfish. You will be doing things for yourself also. So if you have that type of mentality, then I would request you that you should change it and do service for others and also try to help people as much as possible, because that is the only way. Because whatever we will earn, we cannot take it to heaven, right? We have to utilize it for the good for the people, for the good of the people. So try to do the good things that is possible for you. And also definitely, if there is any confusions regarding my explanation in this video, definitely you can ask me in the comment inbox. Also, along with the Saturn planet, there has some other mounts also that needs to check. Suppose if the Venus mount is weak, then there will be some problem from the partner. If this moon mount is weak, then you might have some issues or problems from the mother. If you have sun, then might be from the father. If with the Mercury, then with the siblings. If with the there is some problem with the Jupiter, then we'll have some lack of confidence and issues in with the colleagues, environment, things. So there are many things that has to be considered before going to the conclusion, because some people ask me, okay, I have this sign, then why I am not getting the benefit? So don't get to the conclusion at once. Try to see what is there in your hand, what are the positive signs, what are the negative signs that is there, then only you should go forward. So this is all about the video. I don't want to explain much more in this video because it will be quite bigger and might not be more interesting. So that's why I will try to extend this video and some other things if I have missed anything. Also, if I have missed anything in this video and there are some specific signs in your hand, then definitely you can comment in my YouTube inbox. I will definitely try to reply. I would request once again to subscribe to my channel, like the videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you always get the future notification of my videos. Stay happy, stay fit. Thank you.